Yo, dig talk fam. Ever heard of Douyin? No, it's not just TikTok in Chinese. It's TikTok's older, smarter twin. And it's changing the game. Let's break it down. Sound, beat drop, or short musical sting. What is Douyin? 025 to 110, with visuals of the Douyin app and logo. Douyin is a short video app developed by ByteDance, launched in China in 2016, a full year before TikTok hit the global stage. Same company, different rules. Think of it like TikTok, but built for China's culture, trends, and even laws. How it's different from TikTok 110 to 220, plus cut to split screen comparisons. So how is it different? Let's talk features. E-commerce integration. You can buy products directly in-app. It's basically like TikTok and Amazon had a baby. Advanced filters and Douyin often gets the latest tech first. More localized content, music, memes, even rules are tailored to Chinese users. Stricter limits for kids. Teens get daily time limits and educational content only. From editing styles to monetization tools, the world is watching China's digital playground. If you're a creator, entrepreneur, or tech lover, this is where the future gets tested first. Wild, right? Segment 3, Why It Matters Globally. Clips of global creators using Douyin-style features. Douyin is setting trends that eventually reach us on TikTok. Back on camera, upbeat tone. So next time you scroll TikTok, remember Douyin walked so TikTok could run. Want to dive deeper into Chinese apps and tech? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Dig Talk. End screen with logo, subscribe button, PLZ, like and share, don't forget notification bell.